Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can style your post grid with a nice hover effect on the home page of your website. As you can see on my website, there's some hover effect on posts. I'll show you how you can achieve the same on your website as well. So this might be different for each theme, but since I'm using GeneretePress theme, I'll be showing in a tutorial using the GeneretePress theme. Okay. This will not work in the GeneretePress free version since it requires you to unlock GeneretePress premium modules such as layout, styling, etc. If you don't have GeneretePress premium version, there is a link in the description where you can purchase GeneretePress premium version. So let's go into the tutorial, guys. First you need to go to your website dashboard. As you can see, I'm in my website dashboard. Then simply go to the customize button. Okay, before that you need to do a small setting. Okay, first you need to go to the dashboard and then go to the appearance tab, then go to file editor, theme file editor, then go to the content.php, and then in the 13th line you will find a div called div class is equal to inside dash article. So you need to add a custom class which I'm calling a card. You can name anything like xyz, anything, because we will be styling this using this class only. So first, once you've done this, just click on update file, and that's it. Then close this. Okay, now come back to the another tab that you opened. Now go to layout, blog, and then you can check this. This is how my this look like. You can copy my settings from here. This content. Okay, you can copy my settings. You want a read me button, read more button, or categories and everything like that. Okay, this is for the featured image. If I click, the featured images will be disappeared. Okay, as you can see, then all the locations and etc. So now you need to go to the columns section, then display post as in columns. Okay, tick this option, then go to the other option and make a tick on this as well, display post in machinery grid. You also need to check this. Then in the column section, it is asking how many columns you want to show. So I'm showing at least 3. You can show up to 5. For example, this is how 4 column looks. Okay, this is how a 4 column outlook would look, but I am going with 3 because it's giving me good impression and also not clogging the title and etc. So once you've done this, then click publish, and then come back here and add some CSS. So now I will be adding a class that we added in the inside article div that we did a while ago. Then minimum height, give it a minimum height of 50 px. Then you need to add a box shadow. I'll be giving this code in the description. You can just copy it and you can use this code on your website. So this code is for the current version. As you can see, there's some shadow looking. Let me remove this card, and let me show how it will be looking just in the GeneretePress default version. This is how it will look. So what we need to do is add some give some look while we are not hovering or anything, etc. So this is the code for it, and you can add some different code. I'll give the link to that. You can copy code from this website. So let's say if you want this style, okay, just copy this style and paste it here. You see there's a nice border around us. You can also keep this code in the hover section. So the hover section is when a user goes on the card. As you can see, there is some animation kind of thing going on. So this is the code. Okay, So you can paste it over here. So you just need to make a class, and then you just need to give it a property called focus, also called hover, and then just add this from this website, whichever style you like. Just give that style, and that's it, you're done. Let me take this style. Okay, see, as you can see, this is a different style. And let me show you some colors. Okay, this color, when we hover, it will just show this color. Okay, so you can just do some color changes like this. You can just play around, and just there are so many styles in this website, and just use that one you like, uh, that gives you satisfaction. And for me, my old style, this looks absolutely good for me, so I'm just going to use this, and that's it. And then click publish. That's it, you have a nice grid machinery style grid post, not cloggy or bad looking or ugly looking post. Okay, if you like this video, then if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep sharing.